Okay, sir. So today we'll discuss again one more price rule. So yesterday we have discussed the price rule, right? For example, if partner level equals to gold, a 30% discount, silver 20% discount, branch is 30% discount. Okay. Now I want to apply same type of discount, but not only these fields, like based on the combinations. Okay. So based on the combinations, for example, I'll show the screen here, right? So these are the combinations I want to apply discount. For example, my customer is branch and product family is the hardware, 5% discount. Branch software, 2%. So based on the combinations, we need to apply discount now. Okay, how we can achieve this functionality? So previously there is straightforward. If branch 30%, something like that, branch 10%, silver 20%, gold 30%. So now we have to check combinations. Based on these two combinations, we need to apply this much discount. But if you observe here, this field is there in the quote object level. Okay. So these fields are there in a quote line. In the quote line also we have something called product family. Okay. So based on these two conditions, quote and these two conditions, I want to apply the discount. Okay. So if you want to apply discount based on these two something like conditions, so how we can achieve functionality is, so we have to create a one more separate object that is called lookup object. Okay. Lookup object, very important this is. Okay. So what this lookup object, a custom object, what it will do is, here we can store all the mappings in this object. What we can do, we can store all these records. I will create 3 fields here in this object: partner level, product family, and partner discount. You can create one auto number field maybe. Okay. 4 fields you can create: family, discount, level, and serial number. Example. Okay. Okay. So we can create 4 fields. So in these fields, what I can do is I can upload the data. Which data? This data. Why I am uploading this data is because based on these two fields conditions, I'm applying discount. Okay. Not only these 2 fields, you can take one more field. My example, you want to take product name here, like a branch, hardware, product name, and apply this discount. So if you want to apply discount based on multiple fields combination, then what we can do is we have to upload that data in the lookup object. That lookup object we can use in our price rules. Okay. So first we can create lookup object and upload the data. Okay. So lookup object is nothing but a custom object. I'm going to create one new custom object. So click on this. Setup. So what happened? See, everyone able to hear me?
Yes.
So I'll create one new custom object. There I can upload all this data. This data I will use in my price rules based on the conditions. So go to Object Manager. Create custom object. I can give my object name is partner level discount table. You can give any name, meaningful name. Okay. So plural name, you can give it data table. Okay. Then I'll give an auto number field. So I'll take partner level discount serial numbers. Maybe I can go with 000 sequence starting with number 1. If you want to use in reports, and this is normal things. If you want, you can use it, otherwise not required. I want to create a tab immediately. I'll create tab also. So you can choose tab color. And click next. So default on for all the profiles. Same thing. Click next. I want to include this tab in Salesforce CPQ app. Okay, click save. So I have created object. Now I will create a fields. So which fields I want to create? As per my requirement, I have to create 3 fields. One is partner level, pick list. This is very important, like interview question. So how we can use lookup queries in price rules or product rules? Okay. So partner level, what are the values we have? Branch, silver, and gold. Okay. So that's it. Is there is space? No, right? Don't give space. Click next. So visible to everyone. Click next. Save one new. I'll create one more field called product family. This is also pick list. So what values I can enter? Hardware, software, and service. Okay, that's it. Click next. It's visible to everyone. Click next. Save one new. I'll create one more field where I can store the discount. Validation level saving record. Already file name part from okay. Save a pen now. Okay. Create one more thing. I'll take this is a percentage. I want to apply discount. Okay, next. So this is a custom object, right? So I want to upload this data because I want to use this data in my price rule. Okay, this is separate object. So how we can import this data into the table? How we can insert data, sir?
Fill out that object.
Yeah, I want to insert all these records now.
Data import, sir.
Yeah, there is import wizard. What else?
Data wizard.
Data import wizard, or you can use data loader IO, right, madam? Salesforce inspector.
Yes.
So many tools are there. Any tool you can use to load the data. So this is custom object. Then import wizard will support custom objects also. So I'm using import wizard only. I'm taking custom objects.
Custom.
What is the object name?
Partner level discount.
Table.
Tables.
Yes.
That's a
B.
Missing.
There is no. Sir, once again repeat.
Yeah, here only is there. Okay, I'll choose this one. So what I have to do? Insert, update, or upset? Insert.
Insert.
Right? So I'm choosing insert operation. Choose your CSV file. Where is CSV file? This is my discount table. I'll just close it. Okay, I have desktop discount latest table. Next. So branch hardware, something example. Click next. Mapping is correct. Import it. Done. You can see progress 100%, the record 9, there is no errors. Where you can check now? You can go to your table. Which table? Partner level discount table. All records. You can see it is inserted. You can add fields also. I want to display partner level, family, discount. This is my table, just now I have inserted, right, sir? Now our requirement is what? So if code type is equal to branch and the level code line family equals to hardware, how much percent I want to apply discount? 5% discount. So this is the table I'm going to use in our price rule. Okay. Same steps are common. Go to the price rule now. Same steps. Oh my God, what is happening? Price rules. So now important thing is this is the field. Which object, sir? Now we have to look data in which object? Lookup object. Where is our data now? All the data we have to use. This is data. Okay. So first of all, I'll tell you what is the how it will work. Lookup object is. So how we have to map data is now in the quote line object. Quote object. What is the field we have, madam? Partner level. Right. In the quote level partner level equals to what we have to check? Our table name. What is the table name? Example, I
Partner.
Data table. What is the table I have created now? This is
Partner level discount table.
Partner level discount table.
So how we have to check is this is a way we have to check. Quote line, quote partner level is matching with this partner level. Okay, this is a mapping we have to do. And where is the another field we have, sir? Quote line. Quote line, family. Quote line, product family. Equals to which family? Where is the family? Another family in this object, right? Here also we have a product family. So this is our mapping. If both are matching, okay, if both are matching, quote partner level equal to our table partner level and quote line family equal to this family, both are matching, then we need to do the action. What action we have to do is quote line partner discount equal to which discount, sir? Which discount we need to apply?
Partner level discount.
Partner level, we have a same type of field. So like this, we have to map in the table. Once these fields are matching, this field we have to update based on the mapping. Okay. So how we can achieve is we have to use a lookup queries here. Okay. First thing is in the price rule, you can see how we can look that data. Okay. Whatever the data is there, right? This data we want to check. How we can check this data? How we can use this data in our price rules? How we can use this data in our price rules is first we have to use that object here. What is the object name?
Partner level discount tables.
That object we have to look into the data now, right? That's why that object we need to assign here. Here we have to choose that object. What is the object name? This is the object name. I want to add it here. How we can add here in the price rule?
We have to go to price rule, fields and relationship.
Price rules. Where I need to add that field, that object name, lookup field. Which field, madam? The lookup object.
Values.
In this
Value.
object only, we are going to check our all the data, right? Mapping everything we are going to check in this object only. So I'm mapping that. That is the first step. Okay. Now page, just refresh the page. So in that table only, I want to look into the data now. In that table only, I have all the mappings. So that's why we need to use that one. This is very important. Lookup queries. So generally, when we can use this lookup queries is when you have combinations like multiple fields combination, you want to apply discount. Then we can use this concept, lookup queries concept. Okay. Should be active. Scope is on calculator. Even save. On calculate. I'll give a 30. Which object? In this object. This object, I have all the mappings. Okay, which how much I want to apply discount. Everything is there in this based on the combinations. So this is done. We can choose a lookup object. Now here we have to use the lookup queries. What is the lookup queries condition? This is the condition. Quote partner level field equal to which field, madam? This field. Quote line family equals to this field mapping, this table family. Both are matching. What discount you want to apply? This discount you want to apply for that quote line. Understand?
Okay.
So how we can just click a new button now, lookup queries. So here match type, what you have to do is field value, because we are checking your fields only. So which object, madam? Quote object. Okay, where is that field? Quote object. What is the field name, madam? Partner level is not there here. We have to add it. And similarly, quote line, product family. So these two fields we have to add in the tested field. In the tested field, we have to add what, madam? In the tested field, we have to use these two. This one, this one. And this is we have to use. And lookup table here also. Lookup operator equals to rule product to not product equals to. Acha, here we have to add the lookup fields. So here we have to add the object normal quote and quote line object fields. Here which fields we have to add, madam? This lookup query fields. These two fields there, these two fields there we have to add. So we'll go to the first, we'll go to the tested field. Lookup query table. Which object, madam? Lookup query.
query.
In the tested field, in the lookup query object, in the tested fields, we have to add the quote and quote line fields. In the tested field, tested field another. Tested field only, right, madam? Lookup query. Why is not showing then?
You typed it wrong. TEST.
Yeah, tested field. In the tested field, I have to add two fields, which is one is quote field, one is a quote line field. In quote, which field I have to add, madam? What is the API name that yesterday I have created, right? Partner level. Lookup query. Test field. So go to the quote object first. In the quote object, yesterday I have created one formula field. What is the field name, madam? Partner level, type of partner level. So this field, right? Okay. This is the one field we have to add here. And other one is which field in which object? Quote line object. In the quote line object, which field we have, madam?
Tested field.
Tested field. Which field we have to add
No,
there?
no.
Product family.
Product family. This is the family. Okay. So in the tested field, we added quote object field, quote line object field. So one thing is done. Quote partner level, quote line product family, both are added in the tested field. So opposite to another field we have to add that we can see later. First, we can complete this tested field. I think we have some field dependency here. Field dependency, no? No field dependency, no problem. Okay. This part is done, madam. Okay, and then we have to, this field equals to table field. So in the lookup field, which fields we have to add?
Discount.
Table fields, madam. What are the table, madam? What are the table name? Partner level discount table. So here we have to add those two fields, same fields. What is the one field, madam? Partner level, lookup field. So why I am adding, madam, here? Enduku add chestunna these two fields here?
To when we
Compare.
click on the pick list, it's visible, too visible.
Yeah, it
To
is
make it visible.
Yeah, it is visible, but why I'm adding? Why we need to add that two fields, these two fields in the here? Why? Because
To compare.
compare, right? We need to know what is the what is the like a type you have selected, what is the family you have selected in the code line, right? So that's why. Here I choose price rule. Match type is equal to field value. Which one, madam? Quote partner level
Product level.
equals to which partner level? Our table. Right, madam? Our table partner level. This is one condition. Save and new. What is the other condition, madam?
Product family and discount.
Yeah. Quote line product family. What is the other condition? Tested object is quote line. Product family equals to which product family? Your table product family. Both are matching now. Okay. Both are matching. Then what you have to do the action? What is the action you have to do?
Discount. We have to see the discounts.
You have to apply the discount. Right? Same here also.
Yes.
Quote line object. Already discount field is there. For this field, we have to assign lookup field. Which field I have to assign here? Now? I want to apply discount. For which discount I want to apply now? Our table.
Product family.
This
The
discount.
table.
Discount. So this field we have to add in the here. Which field, madam? Source lookup field. The source lookup field in the price action object we have to add it. Is that price action object? So this is just mapping and action. That's it. So here fields and relationship. Source lookup field. We have to add the table percentage. Okay. Not this one. Click save. Now just refresh the page. Price action. So now we have to map quote line partner discount equals to which one, madam? This partner discount. Click save. Price rule is missing. Yes. So tell me, madam, what we did. Anyone can explain, sir? NGSM chapter now. Why? What are the things we have done? Anyone?
We created table objects, sir. First. Then we created two fields.
Why we created this object, madam? And why we have created this object?
To see that multiple fields conditions are we can apply the discounts.
Correct, exactly.
Based on the multiple fields, we can apply discount.
So that's why we have loaded data in the other table. That table we are using in this our price rule. So then in the lookup queries, what we have to do? We have to see the why it is only one here. I have created two lookup queries. No? This is action. Here this one only one. Field. Okay, what is this one? Okay, quote partner level equals to partner level. There is one more field. One more is missing, madam. Where it gone? I don't know. We have created two mappings, right? Yes or no? But why it's showing only one, madam? Other one, where it is gone? So this is one condition, one mapping. Here, what is the mapping, sir? Partner level, right? Another one is which mapping? Quote line, product family equals to lookup field, product family. Click save. Yeah, now it's fine. Understand, sir? Now we are doing all the mapping. This is the action will perform. We can check at least this will work or not. So mappings, everything we have to do in the lookup queries. Action you have to do in the price action. So which field you want to update in the quote line field? That field we can apply with our table partner discount. Now we can check with one account. I can give my account name equals to Crown Equipment. The remaining fields are not necessary. This is important. I'll give what's on gold. Click the save and create a opportunity. Down opportunity. Stage name, I'll give a perspective. So create quote. Crown Equipment, Crown Opportunity, click save. So now what is the quote type, sir? What is that quote partner level?
Gold.
Why? Because we have set a gold in the account level. This is clear now. Okay. Gold is there in the quote level. Now click edit lines. I'll choose 3 different products: gold software, gold hardware, gold service. Like that, we can take 3 products. Click save. So I'll take 3 different products now. One is hardware. One is a mouse. I'll take a software. I'll take a MS Office is a 365 is a service. Or you can take HTML is a service. Okay. Maintenance kit is a hardware. So gold and hardware. Maintenance kit is a hardware, right? Gold and hardware. What is the discount, sir? Where is the table? Gold and hardware. What is the discount here?
15%.
Now you can check gold and hardware. Is this applied 15%?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now this is gold and software. Mouse is a software, right? How much discount? Gold and software.
8.
8%.
Now you should see the 8% discount here, right?
Yes. Yes.
This is gold and service.
Software.
Service. This is HTML.
7%.
Okay.
7%.
It should come how much? 7%. Right? So like this, if you want to apply discount or something based on the multiple fields, then what you can do, madam? We can go for the lookup queries. Lookup queries is nothing but it is separate table. We are loading all the mappings. Mappings we are loading the table. These mappings we are comparing with our quote field and the quote object fields and the quote line object fields. Then you can update the field, which fields you want to apply. Mapping with this one to quote line field. Understand, madam?
Yes, but very long process, sir.
And if you do 2-3 times practice, we will remember. This is like a symbol. You are creating separate object and loading data. This object you are using in the price rule and lookup queries and actions. If you practice, it will be easy. 1 time or 2 times. Clear, madam?
Okay.
That's it.